Pembrokeshire Coast National Park is the UK's only truly coastal national park. This unique place boasts 620 square kilometres of awe-inspiring coast and countryside, from sandy beaches and rugged cliffs to ancient woodlands and dramatic hills. Its protected landscape is a haven for all sorts of wildlife, and it's home to around 20,000 lucky people.
Like me!
Like me!
And me!
And me!
And us!
These are Pembrokeshire Coast National Park Youth Rangers, and they're part of the Your Park project.
Your Park is a 3-year project funded by the Big Lottery. It's hosted by the National Park Authority in Pembrokeshire. It aims to get people from Pembrokeshire out into the fantastic national park and other wild places.
The York Park project is all about supporting other organisations and groups and young people to make the most of the outdoors.
One fantastic element of the Your Park project is the Youth Ranger scheme, which we set up in January of 2013.
Many youth rangers come to us through organisations involved in Your Park. They then help support those groups to get out more. It's really inclusive. We have all sorts taking part. The thing they have in common is their love of the national park and wild places and motivation to get out there.
We all have the same interests but different personalities.
I love the outdoors. It's just nice to get out of the house and do some work. That's actually going to make a bit of a difference.
And I find it really good for relieving stress, going for a nice walk across the coast.
They participate in a variety of nature identification tasks, surveys and conservation projects, foraging, bushcraft, learn survival techniques, experience outdoor cooking and undertake team building and problem-solving games.
There's a big focus on finding out from the guys what they're enjoying about the scheme and where they want it to go. It's really led by them. The sessions are safe, sociable, but most of all fun.
We have a great laugh, and the people I've met along the way are brilliant people.
They visit a wide range of different habitats, and as volunteers within the national parks, they benefit from some quite unique access to the less trodden paths and least visited areas.
It provides an opportunity to explore and find the special places of the national park, but it also provides an opportunity for them to learn new skills and undertake work that looks after the national park today and in the future.
We offer 12 sessions on a roll-on, roll-off basis, so each youth ranger will have logged at least 100 hours of activity before they finish the scheme. The sessions have a very strong affiliation with the John Muir Award.
The John Muir Award is an environmental award scheme focused on wild places. We've got plenty of brilliant ones here in Pembrokeshire. To get the award, people just have to discover, explore, conserve and share wild places.
There are loads of additional benefits to being a youth ranger and visiting wild places.
Such as confidence building, a sense of belonging and increasing skills.
Gaining motivation, appreciation of nature and health and well-being.
Leadership qualities, decision making, communication and obviously fun. It helps me relax and kind of just take a step back from everyday life and breathe.
A wise man once said, if you change the way you look at things, the things you look at start to change.
Being a youth ranger presents our young people with incredible opportunities.
One of the youth rangers visited the Young Europark conference in Hungary. The youth rangers have been promoting the work of the national park at the Pembrokeshire Fish Week. And 2 of the youth rangers recently attended a Welsh Government consultation on the future of national parks. Therefore, they will be influencing the future policy and direction of national parks.
So as you can see, we're extremely proud of our national park, our youth ranger scheme and the things our young people have achieved. But it doesn't stop there. We're always on the lookout for new youth rangers, new opportunities, new places to visit and more environmental projects to tackle. We've discovered, we've explored and we've conserved wild places, and this movie is just part of how we've chosen to share it all with you. The future, as far as Pembrokeshire Coast National Park Youth Rangers are concerned, is looking rosy, and we're going from strength to strength. We're sure it won't be too long before you hear from us again.